Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Bhadrasana. This asana stretches your thighs and ankles. Please do not practice if you have severe knee pain or ankle injuries. To practice, start with Dandasana. Now bend at both your knees and come to Vajrasana position. And from this, separate your ankles and place your buttocks on the floor and your hands on your thighs. Maintain with normal breathing as long as comfortable. Now come back to Vajrasana. Exhale and release your legs and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.